Welcome back once again, everyone, to Earth MotorCars. Today we've got another M5 for you guys. But this one may look like a very simple stock sedan, but it is far from that. This car has been given some pizzazz. This particular one is a DME Stage 2 with the catless downpipes and the tune, full exhaust, and it makes right around 760 horsepower to the wheels. And that is an all-wheel drive car. This thing is obviously an absolute rocket. I just love how understated it looks from the outside. You would not be able to tell that this car is pushing that much power. It just looks like a regular 5 Series. But now I think we should take this thing for a little test drive and see how it compares to something like an M5 CS. Because that car, as we all know, is very expensive, but this is a little bit more affordable if you're looking for the same thing with a similar amount of power. We are in Sport Plus. The transmission's in Sport Plus. We're going to be in manual mode, as I always like to keep it. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Oh, right off the bat, the throttle response. Guys, it is much, much more snappier than the regular M5. Oh, I'm hearing some crackles. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness, yeah, I forgot what DME does. Snap, crackle, and pop paired with the turbo spools. This is gonna be a fun time. But guys, oh my goodness. I'm not even doing anything, I'm just letting off the gas. That is stupid. Oh, that's dumb. Okay, yeah, that definitely feels like 760 horsepower. This is not stock, does not feel stock. It's crackling and popping a little bit less. I don't know, less than when we since started, I'm sure you guys noticed. But I want more of that. I don't know how to bring it back. It's not doing it anymore. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, we got the pops back. Oh my Lord. Yeah, this is gonna get a police response. See, after you drive it a little bit, they stop. I think it's time to call in a BMW expert and see what he has to say about this car. You know who it's going to be, guys. All right, well, Alex hasn't seen me with my little headgear yet, so it's this little bit of a cute moment we're having.
Where's the...
Wait,
is that all you got, is the GoPro?
Yeah, just the GoPro today, man. Alex is not in his work attire, as you can see. He's out here working on his day off. But hopefully he can help us figure out this little issue we're having. This car snap, crackles, and pops like an absolute monster.
Okay.
But like after you drive it a little bit, it goes away, like they turn off. So I don't know how to leave it on the whole time just to like be obnoxious.
So is it popping right now?
No, right now it is not. So right now we're gonna put it in M1. We'll leave the windows down like about halfway.
Okay.
We'll put it in M1, manual mode, and it'll pop. Watch.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
You gotta be kidding. You have to be nuts. I drove this car and I didn't even hear that shit. Ah! Wait. Gotta let it rip. Holy fuck.
Oh, it's still doing it. It's still doing it.
Shit. Dude, that's violent.
Never mind, it's still doing it.
Me in the car.
I think that's what it was, dude. It just stopped. I don't know why. It's on video and everything. I just drive it for a little bit and then it just goes away. It's
what
like
the f?
it's like
It
temperamental.
is catalyst. You could smell right through that shit too. Ooh.
See, now it's not going to do it. See, now it doesn't do
So
it.
I will tell you, my car did that sometimes too.
See, no more now.
Interesting.
It's very interesting. Oh my
Hey, can I drive the
goodness.
boat?
Yeah, I think you should. Let's do it. Let's
Let me
record
drive the
Alex
boat.
driving it. See if his BMW touch.
Let me drive the boat.
See if his BMW touch can do something. This is.
Dang, I didn't know that thing.
Yeah, I know it's insane. It's a smelly one.
Yeah,
It's a smelly one.
got that Middle Eastern special floor mats.
Oh, definitely. I can already hear the music.
The little flag.
Yeah,
in here.
and the four-wheel drifting on the highway
Those guys
across
are
8
nuts.
lanes.
Yeah.
This is a Stage 2. It makes 760 horsepower.
Okay,
apparently.
so somebody had told me that it was making 1,000, and I called complete bullshit on it.
Uh-huh.
Because it's not making 1,000, and it
Uh-huh.
also doesn't feel like it's making 1,000.
I see.
But it's still making stupid power.
We're like
We're going
scientists.
3.
I think you got. Oh my goodness! Yeah, that's fast.
Oh my god! What? 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 Your Tesla. Holy fuck. Put an MDM. Yeah, he got giggling too.
Yeah, this is a giggle machine for sure. Uh-oh.
Wait for it. Come on.
Do it, do it, do it. We're braking downshift. There it is! I think after it reaches full boost, and then you stop it, it doesn't do it anymore.
It sounds so good without it too,
It
though.
does. Oh my
Holy
gosh.
crap, the
All you hear is the
turbos.
turbos. Yeah, it's awesome.
This thing is nuts. This thing is really nuts.
Absolutely nuts. DME, you guys did a fantastic
Yeah,
job.
great job, guys.
If you guys don't want to wait for your car to get tuned by them, come pick this up. Come pick this thing up over at Earth
This
MotorCars.
thing is nuts, man. Let me
Check it
tell
out on our
you
website.
guys.
How many miles does it have on it? I remember it has only like 3,000 something.
Yeah, 3,860 at the time of this recording.
You heard it right here, folks.
That's
Come get
crazy.
this thing for yourself. We're asking $99,000 for it, but or best offer, of course. Come check it
It's
out
competitive.
on our
This
website.
thing's freaking nuts, man.
Definitely, I would get this over a lot of other cars for sure. All right, well, hopefully you guys enjoyed the ride and enjoyed this car as well.
Yep.
We will catch you in the next one. Please make sure to like and subscribe.